So hello friends, I am Abhishek, again welcoming you for our channel Know the Unknown Techs. Firstly, I would like to thank you to all of you. Thank you so much for your huge support to my first video, which was 5 must-have Google Chrome extensions. I hope you watched that video, and if you missed that, you will get the link of that video in description below. So friends, on last night I saw a one of image. Might be you are seeing that. It was Carrie Minati's image, and there was written like Carrie Minati is happiest person on the planet now. So I guessed why not I? But when it comes to I,
तुमसे ना हो पाएगा. हमें तुम्हारे लक्षण बिल्कुल ठीक नहीं लग रहा है. तुमसे ना हो पाएगा.
okay, don't look at my mood please. Let's watch the news for our new video.
आपका टेलीकॉम मार्केट है उसको इन्वेड करने की कोशिश कर रहा है, उसके बेजा इस्तेमाल करने की कोशिश कर रहा है, एक सर्वेलेंस स्टेट बनाने की कोशिश कर रहा है और साथ में जो भारतीयों का डेटा है उसको
I hope
भारत
now
में
everyone understood what I am trying to tell you is, as the topic tells you, today we will see Indian alternatives to this Chinese app. So let's start friends. First position has been occupied by no other one, our most hated app, TikTok. With that TikTok, there's one more again Chinese app. It's a Kwai. So both the apps are being banned, and as an alternative to this, we have a good Indian apps that are Chingari and Bolo India. The download link of both the apps are being given. Next to Chinese apps are Zender and ShareIt. These both the apps are being banned now, and Indian alternative to this app is ShareAll. The download link for ShareAll is given in description. The CM browser, UC browser, Apple's browser are being banned by our government, and we have an Indian alternative to that as Yo browser. But we all know that there's one more browser present in all the Android phone, which is Chrome browser, that also we can use for good performance. Now comes to Chinese map, which is banned by our government, that is a Baidu map. So Indian alternative for this map is Map My India, which you can download from the description link. Now Club Factory, Romvi and Shein, these all the three are Chinese clothing online websites. From these all the three apps you can buy your clothes, but these all the three apps are now banned in India, so we have a good alternative for that as Myntra.com. From that app you also can get good stuffs. Clash of Kings is a Chinese game which has been banned by our government. So I got a good alternative for that, that is a Clash Royale. It's one of the good game from Finland. Hello was one of the Chinese social media application which is now banned by our government. So now we can use our Indian ShareChat application as an alternative for that. Now move towards some Chinese photo editing app. These are YouCam Makeup and Selfie City. These both the apps are being banned by our government, and as an alternative to this, we don't have any good Indian app, but we have a professional Adobe Lightroom app and PixArt app that can be used by a beginner user also. So the download links for all of these apps are being given in description. Next application on our list is Virus Cleaner. I will not recommend you any kind of alternative virus cleaner because Android itself is a one protected OS, so it doesn't need any kind of antivirus. But many times in various cases the malware attacks can be found in Android, so you can use any good anti-malware. Now comes to messaging application. Here the WeChat has been banned, and now we have the Indian alternative to WeChat as a hike application, which is a really good one. I know that many of now will comment like why we should not use a Telegram, but I would like to tell you that Telegram is not an Indian one. It's a combined project of UAE and UK. So If you want a good options, you can go for Hike, or with your preference you can go for Telegram also, but Hike is the Indian one that you should use. Next is Cam Scanner, which has been used by every one of us for scanning our documents either in PDF or either in JPG format. But as now this app has been banned, so now we have our Desi option for this. It's a Kagaz scanner app, so you can go for this one also. So here, this was a list of some good Indian alternatives app for banned Chinese app that we can use for our daily usage. I hope you like the video as a useful one for you. At last, I would like to request you to use please Indian apps and support our developers, and as well as support our nation too. Jai Hind.